Hello, people from the greater Boston area. If you are a tattoo artist, a PMU artist, or you work in the aesthetic world in general, we have news for you. Beauty Built will be hosting a PMU cosmetic tattoo removal workshop in Boston, downtown Boston, on April 18 and 19, coming up soon. So we're bringing to you an exclusive revolutionary method of tattoo removal, which is really transforming the market. It's an incredible, amazing technique, and there's no doubt in my mind that this is the most safe and effective in the market today. What are we talking about? We're talking about this revolutionary Needles 88, which remove tattoos with no crust, minimum pain, minimum discomfort, no laser. Imagine, no laser. It removes all colors. It works on all types of skin. The client can get in contact with water. The client can get out of your office and go straight to work. There's no downtime. What a peace of mind to be able to do a removal on your client's face and the client get out of your office and go straight to work. That is fantastic and unheard of. So join us in Boston for this amazing technique on April 18 and 19. It's really revolutionary. It can transform the way you do business. It will bring you higher profits. The amount of investment you make is really small compared to the benefits, compared to the profits. It's a win-win for everybody. For the client who is looking to remove that old brow or that face tattoo that no longer serves a purpose, the person is dying to remove that, or to get a new procedure, a new PMU, so you can help this person. We can help you by bringing you this technique, and you can help your client by offering something safe, something that will give you and your client peace of mind.